How to set an invisible username on Discord. In this video, I'm going to show you the easy method to set an invisible username on Discord. So make sure to watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video, you will learn how to do it. Now, without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, you just have to open the web version of Discord. For that, open any browser that might be Safari or Chrome as per your choice. And on the web address bar, simply type in discord.com and press enter. This will take you to the official page of Discord where you have to select open Discord at the top right corner and log in or sign up on your Discord account. As you can see that my username is already visible to every user and to myself as well. So to make it invisible, you have to go to the user settings page. And once you reach on this, you need to click on edit option. But before that, open any notepad on your PC or laptop. And once you open it, you need to simply select the special characters here. So let's copy it, right click on it and then copy it. Once you have done that, the special characters right here. So open the notepad. Once you have done that, those are special Unicode characters that will allow you to set an invisible username since Discord will detect those are like normal characters. So in order to keep the invisible username, click on this edit icon on this username bar and delete it. And then you need to paste the special characters that you previously copied. And then you need to enter the current password of your Discord. So let's enter it. And once you have done that, you need to click on the done button and save the changes. So once you are done with entering the special characters and the current password, you need to click on the done button and then later you will see that your username will be invisible on Discord. So that's how we do it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.